It was a stormy afternoon yesterday around parts of southeast Queensland, and today, Wednesday, will be another day with storms and possible severe thunderstorms across parts of the southeast. So I'm back here with another severe weather update to check out the latest and how things are looking for the remainder of Wednesday. We will see quite widespread showers across southeast Queensland and northern New South Wales, pushing right up into central parts of Queensland. Not everywhere that sees showers on Wednesday will see thunderstorms. A lot of these places will just get some standard hit and miss shower activity, but some spots are lining up for some quite active and potentially quite severe weather. So we're going to go straight into it with our thunderstorm outlook. Now, we've been showing these maps over the last few days, but if you haven't seen them, I'll just remind you what we are seeing here. The colours show areas which are possible or probable to get thunderstorm activity. The green colours on the outside show where we might see standard non-severe thunderstorms, but it's the yellow and the red areas on our map here which are most significant. That shows where we could see severe thunderstorms. And as a reminder, severe thunderstorms can bring any or all of the following: heavy rainfall which leads to flooding, damaging wind gusts, large hailstones greater than 2 centimetres across. The yellow area shows where we might get severe thunderstorms today, and it stretches across a large part of the southeast Queensland coast from the Sunshine Coast up to Rockhampton, and many inland areas too, including much of the Central Highlands and coalfields, much of the Darling Downs in the south, and it even goes across the border into the far north of the northern slopes and plains of New South Wales. The red area is the most significant. That is not only where severe thunderstorms are possible today, but that is where severe thunderstorms are likely today. You'll note the red area, our highest risk area, is pulled away inland, so the coastal strip doesn't see that highest risk, but it's inland spots west of Toowoomba and southwest of Rockhampton and east of St George and Roma where the risk is highest for today. And again, heavy rainfall, damaging winds, large hail are all possible where those severe thunderstorms do form. Some of the major impacts we can expect with these severe thunderstorms, much like yesterday: trees and branches down, which could lead to localised power outages. We could see some areas of flash flooding today as well. We didn't see a lot of that on Tuesday. Potentially a little bit more rainfall with the storms today, and damage to property and cars due to the wind, due to the large hailstones, and due to that heavy rainfall. Now we'll take a quick look at tomorrow, because we'll see further showers along the east coast all the way up to about Mackay, but the thunderstorm risk will subside tomorrow. It is more of a standard showery onshore flow without the intense weather, without the large hail, and without those damaging wind gusts. To finish, a look at how much rain we might get over the next couple of days. This is both Wednesday with the storms and then Thursday with the showers, and there's a few places along the coast where it seems likely we could get the more significant rainfall totals. The very far northeast of New South Wales, around that Northern Rivers area, could see decent accumulations through persistent shower activity over the next few days, and a little bit further northwards, north of Brisbane, from the Sunshine Coast through Noosa Heads up towards Bundaberg and the Wide Bay, could also be a spot of significant rainfall accumulations over the next few days, and anywhere between 50 and 100 millimetres of rain through this area here is possible, and that could lead to localised areas of flash flooding. Thunderstorm warnings are likely to be issued throughout the second half of the day on Wednesday, and they will be updated frequently as these storms develop and move to new areas. So if you are in southeast Queensland, stay up to date with the forecasts and those warnings. They'll always be available at the Bureau website and available on your app. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.